For the first time since late June, the number of weekly COVID-19 cases in our state has seen an uptick. According to the University of Arizona professor who tracks the data each week, ABC 15's Mike Pelton looking at where the spread in our state stands now and what some data experts and doctors are looking at in these weeks ahead.
Calling it worrisome, University of Arizona Associate Professor Joe Gerald, who compiles weekly modeling reports, notes the week ending September 20th saw a 32% increase in statewide reported COVID-19 cases over the week prior. The report reading, quote, "The reversal is worrisome and warrants reappraisal of individual and population adherence to mitigation efforts like face coverings, physical distancing, and hand hygiene." Here's ABC 15 data analyst Garrett Archer.
The spike that was detected by U of A is mainly attributable to those university congregate settings and prisons. However, we are seeing some increases in other places. The Navajo Nation, for example, is starting to see an uptick in cases.
While cases saw a bump, Archer points to what he considers a bigger metric to watch, the percentage of people showing up to hospitals with COVID-like illness. After the big spike in late June, those numbers as low as they've been, dating back to early March.
Those very bleeding edge indicators are not showing anything that is of concern at this point.
Of course, we know it can take weeks for cases to turn into hospitalizations. The report from the U of A professor notes Pima County seeing 3 weeks of back-to-back increases, likely due to the return of college students.
Am I worried? Of course, doctors are always worried.
But emergency physician Dr. Frank Lavecchio says he's still seeing far fewer COVID patients than months ago. His concern is with a potential bad flu season.
Get your flu shot because it is going to be so confusing for us when you come in with a cough, shortness of breath, and people say, well, I can't taste. That could be COVID. That could be a lot of viruses. So it's going to be hard to distinguish the two.
And hard to know what the future brings. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.